We also are focusing on many regions in our effort, including the United States. Last year, we were honored to present our report at the Methodicity Conference. And this report was devoted to a regional study in the United States, which analyzed health outcomes in the United States compared to other countries. It's probably not a big surprise, but despite the fact that the United States spend the most on healthcare, which is close to 20% GDP, unfortunately, they cannot boast neither the longest lifespan nor health span. In this diagram, you could see the leaders in life expectancy, but then more importantly, US really lags behind developed countries in terms of health span. So comparatively speaking, health span is essentially how many disease-free years do you have at the end of your life. So I think this chart sums it up pretty well, because compared to Singapore, which is definitely amongst the leaders in longevity of its citizens, while spending only 4.5% of GDP, the comparison here is such that not only Singaporean citizens live much longer, which is 82 years versus 78.5 in the United States, but their health span is much longer as well. So United States, essentially, the last 10 years of person's life is secure versus 6.7 years in Singapore, which is pretty significant. We've also, I don't have time to elaborate on this much, but we always make recommendations to various governments, including the United States. And again, this is open access. We're very happy to contribute to this global effort, and including our expertise in open